This is the best pocket-friendly sized vlogging camera on the market today. Or is it? Released at the back end of 2023, this thing has been supremely popular. Now, I tried to find some sales figures that were reliable, and everywhere I looked I kept coming up with different percentages and things like that. But let's just say this, multiple times since its release, this thing has been out of stock. And that's a big clue as to how good it really is, because everybody wants one, me included. Now, I bought this back in August 2024 and I have used it pretty much non-stop since then for work in the gym. So what makes this the best pocket-friendly sized vlogging camera on the market today? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so first up then, we have ease and convenience of use. Right, I'm not joking when I tell you an idiot can use this because, well, I can use it. So that tells you everything you need to know. Straight out of the box, this thing is good to go. The only two things you will need to do is one, charge it up, and number two, make sure you've got a memory card in there. Once you've done that, you don't need to do anything else to get started. You can flip your screen, it powers on, you press your record button, and you're good to go. It is that simple to start off with. Now, yes, you can go into this in a lot more detail. You can set up some presets so that it's ready for you, which is what I've done. I've set a couple of things up and I've tweaked a few things so it will do certain things when I want it to and it won't when I don't. I can cover that in a different video, but literally as quick, easy and convenient and simple to use as flipping the screen, powering on, hitting my record button, and away we go. That Les Paul needs some new strings putting on it. That's next. All right, so next up we've got size and portability. Now, if you go for the creator combo, which I did when I bought this, you get this very handy, nice little wash bag, carry case, of which you get many different things in. I'm not going to go through all of those, but we're just talking about size and portability. It's pretty small and it will fit in your pocket, no problem at all. And you can pop it out of that pocket. Super portable, super handy. And with this nice hard case on here, we're taking care of that gimbal, so it isn't going to get bashed around too much in your pocket. Let me just put this down. And then all you want to do to use it, you just pop it out of the case, flip that screen around, it starts recording, and we're away to go. And your little case here, you can get a couple of lenses in there. So size and portability. It is pocket friendly. It's called the Pocket. Got a little hard case you can pop on there and it just slots in your pocket. Easy. Okay, so active tracking is the next thing. Subject tracking, whatever you want to call it, which I find really, really useful when I'm in here in the gym, remote coaching clients, because it means I can just pop the camera up and it's going to follow me around wherever I am. It also means that with the addition of a couple of little accessories, some magnetized mounts that you can get from this, you can pop it up on some different places and get some really, really good angles. So think about maybe if you're walking out of that posh hotel that you've just been staying in and you're reviewing for somebody, you can get a really good shot from up high of you walking down those steps, strolling off down for your posh breakfast, something like that. But it's handy. You can get high level shots, low level type of action things. It will follow you when you're moving around. So you can be a solo filmmaker. You don't need to have someone following you with the camera. You can just place it in a strategic spot and it's gonna follow you all the way through there. So that's subject tracking, very handy for vlogging. Okay, the next thing we should be ticking off here on our vlogging list is audio. On the camera itself, we have some built-in microphones and that built-in audio will do the job just fine. But it isn't the best. I mean, it's perfectly serviceable, but we can absolutely do better. So let me just put this in my pocket because it's called the Pocket. I'm going to unclip my microphone, which I've got attached to my jumper. Little magnet thing up here. Here's my microphone. I'm moving around. I'm moving away from you. I'm moving closer to you. The audio level should still be the same, whereas if it was built in, it would be slightly different. Now, the good thing about this is using these microphones, the DJI Mic 2, which you get one of in the creator combo, you can remote control your camera. Let me give you an example. I will press this link button now. and I'm going to disappear off your screen. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And then pressing it again, we appear. Let me show you, hold on. Right, phone, camera, video, recording, me recording you, recording me, recording you. So I don't know why it's focusing on that. Hold on, let me lock focus on that. There we go, right. So I'm gonna press that button. Watch the red light on the screen here. 3, 2, 1, click. Red light on the screen's disappeared, and press my button again. Red light on the screen appears. Now I know that this is happening on the DJI Action 5 Pro, the action camera. Same thing applies on the Osmo Pocket 3, but I can't show you that because that's in my pocket and I've only got 2 hands to do all this, so that's a bit weird. So anyway, using this microphone as a remote control is a brilliant little trick that you can use, especially if you've set your camera up way off in the distance and you want to switch it on or off. So that's a great one. And talking about little tips and tricks, if you're interested to know 5 hidden features about the Osmo Pocket 3 and getting the best out of it, you can watch that video by clicking up here. That's definitely a good watch. Don't do it now, watch the end of this one and then watch that one afterwards. Your mobile phone, literally your best friend when it comes to all things technology, because you can control your Osmo Pocket 3 from your mobile phone. Set the thing up wherever you want to put it. Let's say you want to take advantage of a nice high angle shot up on the rig so you can make your footage look a little bit arty. You pop that up onto the top. You flip your screen round. It does everything it needs to do. And then from the ease and convenience of your phone, we can move all the way over here. And we're still controlling the camera. Using the phone. I don't need to be anywhere near it to use it. Okay, so believe it or not, this might not actually be the best small pocket friendly size camera you can use for vlogging, and I'm going to give you some examples why. Earlier on I mentioned about the SD card slot where your memory card goes. Well, this is fully exposed to the elements. Your gimbal is fully exposed to the elements, and the mechanism, screen mechanism of flipping it around and that kind of stuff is fully exposed to the elements. Your charging point, fully exposed to the elements. This is not waterproof, this is not dust proof, this is not drop proof. If you're out vlogging, there's a chance you're going to drop it or it's going to fall off something and you could damage it that way. And the other thing, as much as this is called the Pocket 3, the Osmo Pocket 3, and it will fit in your pocket, this gimbal is movable. So every time you take it in and out of your pocket, there's a chance that you're going to catch this gimbal and damage it, which would be bad. We don't want to do that. So if this isn't the best pocket-friendly size vlogging camera on the market today, what is? Well, I might have a solution for that. Click that subscribe button because you'll see that in part 2 and you don't want to miss that one. Alright, as ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.